Hey you guys, I know y'all probably mad at me. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a quick eyebrow tutorial using very simple, easy products that you can find in your local beauty supply store, your local drugstore. It's been highly requested that you guys wanted me to film this look. Well, not this look, these eyebrows. So I probably look crazy because the brow is such a powerful thing on our face. We don't even realize it. So I have these lashes on. Something I got picked up from the beauty supply store, and I probably look crazy because my lashes are outpowering my brow. So you want to learn how to do an everyday brow, grocery store, club, woo 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 woo, whatever the case may be. We got to know how to do a glam brow. So for today, these are the things that we're going to need. I'm using an NYX pencil. I sharpened it, of course. I think it's better if you sharpen it other than using a dull. That makes sense. And this is in the matte suede. I think the name is Mason. I looked for a name for 5 minutes and that's all I could find. So I'm hoping that's the name. Of course, I'm going to use my NARS concealers. This is the soft matte concealers from NARS. This is caramel and biscuit. I use these concealers as a foundation. As you can tell, I have no foundation on. These are all my blemishes. Yeah, so it's me. And of course, I have my top rounder brush, what I use for the top of my brows. This is Glam by Cham. And then of course a blender brush, which is older than Moses, but it still works. That's all that matters, is that it still works. So let's get into it. I'm going to bow. Okay, I'm going to comb this upward, outward, upward, outward. Okay. Oh, my knees, please. So a trick about doing eyebrows is if you start at the tail, it's easier. So I'm going to start in the middle. I'm sorry, the middle of the tail. This eyebrow pencil is lighter because my hair is blonde. I went lighter. You're going to start and you're going to drag it always outwards. You see what I'm saying? From the middle. So you want to make like down the slide, but outwards. So almost like not this slide, but this slide. You get it? that I promise will never fail you. If you start in the middle and go down the slide, then stop here, the corner of your eyebrow. Then you're gonna go on the top, but you're gonna go right where you started from that middle, and you're gonna go up the slide even more, and then you're gonna go down the slide. And what you're gonna let them do is you're gonna let those two just connect. Bam! I bet y'all didn't learn that. Somebody give me $5 because I just told you something. So that is the easiest way to create a tail without overdoing something, overbarreling it, trying to make something bigger or smaller than what it is. Better yet, following your natural arch and just going into it. Now you already have both on top and on bottom. So now all you're gonna do is fill in what you have left. And when you fill it in, you wanna do it lightly. Always stop your brows here in the center of your nose because it's good for contour. If you stop your brows too quick, it will make your eyebrows look too far apart. Unless you have a really thick already, you know, brow. I wasn't so fortunate to have that beginning of the brow, so I have to create one. And I'm lightly, when I say lightly filling that in. So as you can tell, this brow is actually lighter than my normal brow because again, my hair is blonde. And I'm just going back in to fill in those little patches. Perfect. I see a little patch. Okay. Again, we're going to go up the slide and back down the slide. Up the slide. Not really up the slide, okay, because, okay, up mean like this way. What I mean is like up, like the up roundness of your real brow. I was a madman looking for that. Okay. I could not find, of course you need an angle brush. I'm sorry I didn't include it in the beginning. The angle brush, of course I'm taking Biscuit. And we're going to start in the middle again. So Biscuit is actually like 2 shades lighter than my actual skin tone. We're doing the same little effect, up and down. So now you're gonna connect them together. So, and when you're doing it, try not to do it in one swipe. You wanna have some type of control and just do it by doing it by sections. Because what it does is it gives you more control to fix it. Sorry. So yeah. So now I'm just blending that out. So when you blend, you want to blend downwards in the front and then lightly. When I say lightly, hold the brush at the end and then blend out. Good. So now I'm going to do it to the top of the brow. I'm going to use the end. So when I do the top of the brow, I use the side of the brush rather than the top. So use the side for the roundness, to round it out for you. And then you're gonna bring it inwards, like down more, this way. Oh y'all, this way, and then it's gonna actually cut the tail off for you. So if you bring it down inwards, like this, it's gonna create you your own point. So I'm gonna bring the concealer again on the side of the brush, and I'm gonna fill that part in again. What was the front of it? And this, the angle brush that I use is by Glam by Cham. And then you're going to blend downwards and always the direction the brow's laying. Never go back that way. Just keep it going the direction the brow's going, and then make sure you go past the actual brow so it's blended up. Ooh, don't play. Hold on. Don't play with my eyebrows. Let me do this other one real quick. Oh, and I didn't even use caramel. So I pull caramel out because sometimes I feel like it depends on like the time of the year. I like to go 2 shades up, but with caramel, it's just my regular skin tone. So if I feel like it's too bright, I'll tone it down. So that's the only reason why I have that, but I didn't have to use it today, so it's not a good or a bad thing. I like the brush to be super flat when I do the top part. Oh, now my press on came off. Oh, y'all, the nail shop's closed because if you know, we're in Corona, so we are ordered to stay in the house. So of course my nail shop got closed now, so I went to CVS because I had to get some sinus medicine too, and I got me some press on, and now they pressing off. You suck. You never want to make your point too high. You're gonna look surprised. So bring them down low. I'm gonna put a little foundation on because I want y'all to see the whole look with everything. This is my everyday makeup look. I posted it on my videos. Put in a little light bead just to throw it all together so that y'all can see, honey, with the power of a brow tool, honey. But these are my favorite two combos. This is NK Makeup and Taupe. It's like $1, and of course my fortune cookie, my NYX fortune cookie, and I like a frost look, so what I do is I put a fortune cookie on first, put your fortune cookie on first, and then the taupe is like really white, so I just put like little taps of that. Fire, right? Okay. Get into these brows, baby. No filter. No filter. Bloop. So that is all that I have today for you guys for the brow tutorial. Like I said again, if you did miss my first tutorial on my everyday makeup look, it is on my channel page. And before I go, I have to shout out Roses of New York for these beautiful, warms my cheesy heart. You know I'm from Wisconsin, but I love these roses. I want to thank Roses Forever New York, and why is their Instagram. I'll have their link and things in the description box below. But if you guys love this video, thumbs it up, heart it, like it, whatever, all the the positive things about it, and especially comment below. Let me know some of the things that you guys want to learn. We're in quarantine, so I got a couple of days on my hand. I'm still learning editing, so that's why my videos are still kind of long, because I'm learning how to, but I'm very punctual and I'm very informative, so I want y'all to learn. So I'm so excited. Follow me on Instagram if you don't, Miss_Jazz_Makeupartist, and that's it. Okay, bye y'all.